Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch off-road wheels, premium black Sunrider soft top, LED tail lamps, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 39,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, COMMAND-TRAC part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, all powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS6011.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.